Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram account in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So first, I open Instagram on my Android phone. Now click on this profile icon. Again, click on three dot menu. Then you need to click on account center. Then account. After click on account center, you need to click on personal details. Then scroll down and click on ownership and control, then deactive or deletion. So if you have a multiple account, you need to select which one, for which one you want to delete. You need to select this one. So you can see this in this mobile, I have only one account have. So I just select this one, then click on delete account, then click on continue. Then why you delete your account, so I select something else, then click on continue. Then permanently delete account before you delete downloaded data. Okay, click on continue. Now you need to write your password. So I write my password, then click on continue. Then if you click on delete, and this is the final step. When you click on delete account, it's automatically log out and deletion from Instagram server. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.